In today's video, I'm going to teach you Outlook.com, storage full, why, and how to fix it right now. If your Outlook.com account says your storage is full, don't worry. This usually means your mailbox has reached its limit, and as a result, you may stop receiving new emails until you free up some space. The good news is that you can quickly check what's taking up space and start clearing it directly from your account settings. To begin, open Outlook.com in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're on the main Outlook page, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This is the settings area where you can manage different parts of your Outlook account. After that, click Account. This section gives you access to account-related options, including information about your storage. From there, click Storage. This is where Outlook shows you a clearer breakdown of how your space is being used. Next, click Email Storage. In this area, you'll be able to review the amount of space your emails are taking up, and Outlook may also help identify larger items or areas that are using the most storage. This is the place to start if you need to free up space right away. Once you're there, you can begin deleting some emails to make room. A good place to start is with large messages, emails with attachments, or old messages you no longer need. These usually take up the most storage and can help you recover space faster than deleting small emails one by one. You may also want to look through folders like Deleted Items, Junk Email, or Sent Items, since those can quietly build up over time. As you remove emails, keep in mind that deleting messages may not always free up space instantly if they remain in your deleted folder. So it's a good idea to review what you're removing carefully and continue clearing unnecessary items until your storage usage drops. This process is useful anytime Outlook stops accepting new mail or warns you that your mailbox is almost full. By going into Settings, then Account, then Storage, and finally Email Storage, you can quickly understand the problem and take action without needing any advanced technical steps. That's it. Once you've deleted enough email, your Outlook.com account should have room again, and you can get back to receiving messages normally.